Right, so I shuffled them. This one fell out. The Sound of the Universe, number 51 it is. Life-changing experiences, glimpsing the great mystery, significant timing, pivotal moments, the Sri Yantra, the tuning fork of universal consciousness, music transcending mundane reality. Oh, very good card. The card signifies those pivotal moments that transcend belief, remind us of a greater reality, and influence us so that life will never be the same again. When I started channeling paintings, I explored sacred geometry by including it as a key element in my creations. Without knowing much its meaning, when I looked up the wisdom of the Sri Yantra, I was blown away. It symbolises the sound of the universe. This painting was crucial for me, and it was my make or break decider of whether I could fulfil my dream as a painter. It was also significant as I crashed my car trying to steady the painting and momentarily taking the eyes off the road. The events that followed delivered the most spiritual growth I had experienced in this lifetime up until the point. Interestingly, this piece has also vanished. The Sri Yantra is a powerful symbol describing as a tuning fork that connects us to universal consciousness. It is present in those aha moments, the fragments of time when life as we know it falls away to reveal a place outside mundane. It brings a sense of awe and overwhelms, and yet feels so real that it jolts us back to our core for deeper remembering. It allows us to fathom our limitness. So this card is also about music as a sacred tool. It speaks of the importance of having a soundtrack for our journey. Music was an essential aspect of ceremony in Lemuria, as it bridged the gap between matter and non-matter. Even in this dimension, music opens the portals to an array of feelings and atmospheres, brings more music into your life to expand your experience and shift your senses of ordinary reality. Divinatory meaning. Having your world shaken up, even a little, can invite a deeper glimpse of the great mystery of your life. There are myriad ways to peek behind the veil of the mundane world. Ecstatic dance, spiritual exploration, and intuitive creative pursuits are just a few. Aim to naturally imbue this awareness in your everyday existence so you can avoid the sudden wake-up calls. Wake up to the hidden music, harmony, and wonder of your multidimensional world. The Sound of the Universe, a beautiful card.